to Tech Time with Kai. Let's go ahead and unbox today's product. Today we have the Portable SSD hard drive. I needed a new hard drive because I've been running out of storage. 256 gigabytes on my MacBook is just not cutting it for all my content creation. Okay, you all, let's go ahead and open this up. This is 1 terabyte of storage. Step up to SSD speed on the go. Portable SSD. USB-C cable to USB-A cable. Safety and warranty guide. Quick setup guide. So it says save times with SSD speed, designed to keep you moving, compatible with select PCs and Mac computers, and pocket size. Here are your little stats if you need them. And let's open it up. I've never bought one before, so I'm hoping it does what I imagine it needing to do for me. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. This is what you get straight out the box. It's definitely portable. So we're gonna take that right off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this. I know how to use it. I was about to say because the USB-C, and then I don't have USB-A, but I have a cable for that. Technical support, warranty, safety guide. Stop, important information. If this works really great, I'll get another one because I'm going to get my Canon camera, and another one won't hurt. The reason I ordered from Walmart is because they had a purple one, and I definitely want all my tech to be purple. Yeah, see, USB cable to USB-C. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go under my desk and get my new charger. I just got this purple too. There's my charger that cable I got from Pop Shelf the other day. So I'm gonna put this on the side of my MacBook. And then put this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And let's see if this works. Oh my gosh, allow accessory to connect. Do you want to connect your SanDisk portable SSD to this Mac? Let me turn it around for y'all. Oh my gosh, I forgot with my iPhone, I do not have to turn things around. I can show y'all myself and the screen. Let's go ahead and get into it. I gotta get a pop socket because this is definitely shaking. My tripod because my hands are really shaking. I'm sorry, I'm so close. Okay, allow. Now what I want to do is time machine. There it is, y'all. Oh yes. Okay, let's go to my settings. And this is going, yes. Oh my gosh, 1 terabyte of storage, y'all. I need this for real. I've been having an issue with all my YouTube videos because I film like 4 videos in 1 week. And then if I do anything extra, I've been having an issue. Oh, I gotta create a password. Be right back. Okay, I just created it. Oh, I need a hint. You don't really want a hint. Do you want to erase the portable disk so it can be used? Do you want to erase portable SSD so it can be used for time machine? Huh? Okay, let me figure this out. I'll be right back. I guess I just had to press erase for it to add up the added, I don't know, but I do not want it right there, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way and where to put it. 1 terabyte available, waiting to back up. But can I put this in influencing, or do I put this whole thing in influencing, which will help me with storage? Yeah, okay, let's get info. Copy this image, which you can find on the UFP spring collection. So these are all the spring gemojis. Get info and change that to the color. not rename it. Copy. I'm gonna get info. Here, remove the image. So it goes right back to the folder. So now let's see. Okay, it's not letting me do that. That's the thing. I don't want the whole Mac to back up. I just want my influencing stuff to back up. Okay, let me go to Finders and see. Portable SSD. Open up time machine settings. Waiting to complete first backup. Let's go to options. I'm new to this, so let me come back. Okay, so far, I figured out how to exclude most of what's on my Mac currently, and now I'm going to back it up, and I'm gonna back it up now so that I can save my influencing folders too. Do y'all want to see how much stuff I have in it? Oh, let me show you. Here's my current items. Let's see what's in here. I think I can show everything that's in my files. Yeah. Like, I have this stuff as organized as possible. iPhone video coming. YouTube videos. This is what I've had a problem with. I had to transfer all 4 of my month videos to my phone with the storage because my MacBook didn't want to take it. And this is where the stuff happens at, my music. Now, one thing I do want to work on is removing the screen recording and just detaching the audio. Maybe that'll save, but I'll figure that out another time, probably this summer. I never know. But yeah, that's what's in my influencing folder, and that's taking up most of my storage, especially my YouTube videos. Now, let's see what's going on. About 53 minutes left. I don't know what it's doing. That's the issue. Only thing I didn't exclude was influencing, so I think that's what I was going to do. But I'll be back once that happens. I'm gonna go do a little bit of grad work and come back. But this is too cute. I'm gonna put my keychain. I'm gonna put on a keychain, which I have, y'all, a purple keychain. Let's put it on there. That's so cute, y'all. I'm in my purple era. Have a great life. I'll be back. Alrighty, it's much later, and I finally figured out by going to ChatGPT, and here's the how-to guide if y'all need to do it. I moved too fast by going to Time Machine, and now my folder is going into my SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive, so that's just for y'all to know. And it's copying all of my stuff, which is 51 gigabytes of storage, and I'm gonna have to make sure to eject the hard drive every time I get ready to use it. Sorry, the lighting's a little off. I didn't feel like putting the light back on. But yeah, y'all, I'll come back once I'm done. This is really exciting. Get free up my storage. Oh, y'all want to see my storage? It's crazy. Sometimes it gets to 256 gigabytes. I always forget that I'm so close because I keep using it. But yeah, I'll be back. Right, you all, I was able to save all my YouTube videos from my iPhone to my Mac using the SSD. I'm going to show you all right now. I'm so excited, and you will not believe how much storage I have left. Y'all, I got over 100 and something gigabytes of storage left, y'all. 8607 gigabytes. So that means this is what I'm using as a student and holding my planner content as well, y'all. This is so great. And I put this little sticky note up here to remember how to delete it off my Mac. So yeah, y'all. I did some schoolwork, so now I'm going to go bathe and relax and probably drink some hot tea and do a little bit of shopping. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and Tech Time with Kai. I've been so excited to unbox different brands of tech, and I hope you all like this content. Please comment below if you think so as well, and have a great life. Bye! I'm so excited to have some more storage.